8 AI repos broke out on GitHub this week. The fastest risers, the ones builders are cloning right now. Counted down 8 to 1. Let's go. Kicking things off at number 8, VibeVoice, Microsoft's open-source frontier voice AI. There are two models in this repo, text-to-speech and a speech recognition system that swallows a full 60-minute recording in a single pass. It doesn't just transcribe. It hands back who spoke, when, and what structured, over 50 languages natively. And the new BitNet build squeezes the model from 4.6 gigabytes down to 1.6, running real-time on a plain CPU. No GPU, no cloud, no per-minute billing. Think meeting notes, podcast archives, interview transcripts, all processed on your own laptop. It's already in Hugging Face Transformers, so you're a few lines from a working pipeline. 52,000 stars, MIT licensed. Back on the board at number 7, Pi, the agent harness from earendil-works. It's 4 packages that stack a unified LM API across OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google, an agent runtime with tool calling and state, a terminal UI library, and a coding agent CLI on top. Use one, or use all 4. What earns it a repeat appearance is the honesty. The README tells you flat out there's no built-in permission system. Pi runs with your user's access, full stop. So they document 3 ways to box it in: a Linux micro VM, plain Docker, or a policy-controlled sandbox. A project that publishes its own sharp edges is one you can actually build on. 82,000 stars, MIT. Number 6 is text-to-cad, a skills library that teaches your coding agent mechanical engineering. CAD, CE, CAM, robotics, and hardware design, all packaged as skills an agent can actually call. That means describing a bracket in plain English and getting real geometry back, not a picture of a bracket. For hardware startups, that collapses the loop between an idea and a printable part from days into minutes. For everyone else, it's a signpost. Agents that design physical objects, not just text. There's a live demo and full docs online, and it runs on Python 3.11 and up. 12,000 stars, MIT licensed, and one of the most interesting corners of the agent ecosystem right now. At number 5, the funniest useful thing on this list, i-have-adhd. It's a skill that stops your coding agent from burying the answer. No great question, no 5-paragraph wind-up, no hope this helps. 10 rules do the work. Lead with the next action, number the steps, cap lists at 5 items, end with 1 concrete next step. The before and after in the README is brutal. A rambling paragraph of hedging becomes 2 commands and a file path. Install is a single line into Claude Code or Codex, and you can leave it on for every session. No diagnosis required, as the repo puts it. If you read agent output all day, this is the best relief to effort ratio here, 15,000 stars, MIT. Coming in at number 4, Project airi, and it is gloriously ambitious. It's a self-hosted container for AI companions openly chasing Neurosama, a character that talks with you in real time by voice and plays Minecraft and Factorio while you watch. Runs on web, macOS, and Windows, and critically, it's yours. Self-hosted, you owned, with no platform deciding one morning that your character is deprecated. Look past the anime framing, and the engineering is serious: real-time voice, live game integration, persistent personality across sessions. Whatever you make of the genre, this is one of the hardest real-time agent problems anyone is solving in the open. 46,000 stars, MIT. Number 3, and if it looks familiar, it should. Worldmonitor held the top slot last week, and it is still climbing. It's a real-time global intelligence dashboard, AI-powered news aggregation, geopolitical monitoring, and infrastructure tracking, all in one situational awareness screen. What's grown since last week is the spread. There are now tech, finance, commodity, and energy variants, an MCP server so your own agent can query it, and an NPM package. This is the kind of tool that used to be a 6-figure terminal on a trading floor, sitting in a repo you can clone tonight. One caveat worth your attention: it's AGPL, so read the license before you build a product on top of it. 78,000 stars. Number 2, ego-lite, and it fixes the most annoying thing about browser agents. Right now, your agent drives a separate browser, your logins never carry over cleanly, and the moment it does work, you're both fighting for the same tabs. Ego-lite is one browser built for the two of you. Agents run their tasks in their own spaces, your tabs stay yours, and the agent can still reach your real logged-in session when a job needs it. No extra setup, fewer tokens burned, tasks finish faster. Point Codex or Claude Code at it, and the whole login first problem quietly disappears. macOS today, Windows and Linux on the roadmap. 7,000 stars, one of the week's fastest risers, MIT. And our number 1 this week, OpenCode review, out of Alibaba. This is code review that doesn't hand-wave. A hybrid engine runs deterministic pipelines first, then puts an LLM agent on top, so what you get back is precise line-level comments instead of vague suggestions to consider refactoring. It ships with a fine-tuned rule set aimed at the bugs that actually hurt in production: null pointers, thread safety, cross-site scripting, SQL injection. It plugs straight into Cloud Code, Codex and Cursor, runs on Windows, macOS and Linux, and speaks both OpenAI and Anthropic APIs. The headline is what it costs. This is review infrastructure battle-tested at Alibaba's scale, handed over for free. 17,000 stars, Apache 2.0. Clone this one. That's the board this week. New repos break out every single week, so hit subscribe and catch the next countdown before everyone else does. See you next Sunday.